In this tutorial, we're going to talk about turning right major to minor. Turning right is what you will do when asked by the tester. Normally, the tester will say something like, at the next junction, turn right, or at the next available road, turn right. So, how do we turn right from major to minor? Turn right routine is mirror, signal, position, speed, and gear. Mirrors, rear view mirror and right mirror. Signal, signal right. Position, move to the right, just left of the center line of the road. Speed, slow down to suit the situation. And gear, select the gear that suits your speed. Don't forget that position, speed and gear is sometimes done at the same time. So now we're going to play the video. So don't forget, it's mirror, signal, position, speed, and gear. So the first thing is mirrors, rear view mirror and right mirror. And then you will signal your position, your speed, and your gear. Once you look into the junction, you can see that the road is clear. Make your turn, ending up back in position because you're driving straight again. So now we're going to give you a top view. The top view shows don't cut the corner, and make sure back in the correct position for driving straight again. Here's an inside view. Don't forget observation. Make sure you look into that junction before you turn, which is very, very important. Please note, you only turn right when you have right of way and it's safe to do so. Check the junction, only turn right when you know the way is clear for you to complete your turn in one move. Common issues. When a driver is asked to turn right, a common issue is they signal and move right without checking mirrors. Make sure you check your mirrors before signal. Also, observation. This is where drivers don't look before they turn. Always look to make sure that you can complete your turn. When you check to the right or check the junction, you will also have a view of that right side mirror. Be aware of a right mirror check before you turn. When doing your live lessons, your driving instructor will make sure you do this correctly. Poor or incorrect observation turning right is not only a fault on your test, it is dangerous. Your driving instructor will make sure you understand observation turning right and help you if need be.